Hi guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. This week's Wok Wednesday is all about some what are we doing? Hi guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesday and this week it's all about summer rolls with lemongrass beef. So I'm going to start off with your marinade for your beef. I've actually got some flank steak strips here, which will go really nicely in the summer rolls. They're nice and thinly sliced already. So bash your lemongrass and finely chop this up. I'm not going to do too many, so I'm just going to use one stalk of lemongrass. But if you bash it, you can use the whole lot, rather than have to sort of sit there and peel every outer piece off. Make sure it's really finely chopped. And we've got a good bit of garlic in here. I'm going to use a bit of garlic for the nok cham dipping sauce as well. Whether it's for the marinade or the dipping sauce, everything's got to be finely chopped. The lovely thing about summer rolls is that because they're fully wrapped, you can pretty much put whatever you want inside. So, you know, you could have them completely vegetarian, or if you want to add a bit of texture into it, which is what we're doing here, then you know, wrap these strips of lemongrass beef into it. When we were in Ho Chi Minh recently, we had, you know, things like beef wrapped in betel leaf and then wrapped into a summer roll, or we just had sort of rice paper that was a little bit thinner than this and probably more fresh, just sitting on the side of most meals that you could just wrap whatever you wanted into. It's almost like the carrier to any type of food. So you want a good bit of that garlic for the marinade that goes with the lemongrass. The rest can go into my dipping sauce. Chili. Again, a little bit into your dipping sauce, and if you want your beef to be a bit spicy, then I'll use the other for the marinade. Just going to cut that a little bit finer, just so it spreads across the marinade a little better. So, just to remind you guys, lemongrass, garlic, chili in the base of that marinade. The rest is really simple. I've got a bit of fish sauce, half of which I'm going to go into there, the rest for the dipping sauce. Palm sugar, balance out the saltiness of that fish sauce. I've got about a teaspoon into the marinade and then a little bit more in the actual dipping sauce. Some people ask where we get soft palm sugar from. It's soft when we first open it because a good palm sugar comes with a sort of wax on top that keeps it nice and soft. But once you've opened it and, you know, kept it out in your cupboard for a while, then it will start to harden. My nok cham dipping sauce is pretty much there. I'm going to put a bit of lime juice into that as well. A good bit of lime. What you want is a nice balance of sweet, salty, spicy, all in one. We've got some homemade pickled purple carrot and daikon as well, and radish. So we're going to put that into the actual summer rolls, which will look beautiful and add a bit more sour. Right, so my dipping sauce is nice and ready. Now all I've got to do is marinate my beef. As I said, I've got these strips of flank steak here. You can keep the fat on, but I'm actually going to take this off because I want it. It's a summer roll at the end of the day, so I still want it to be nice and sort of clean feeling, even though I've got meat in it. I'm going to just slice that in half there so we've got nice strips. They'll obviously contract a little when I cook those through. I'm just going to sear them quickly in the wok. So we're going to get that into the marinade. And then just give that a good rub through. Get all that flavour and the palm sugar, the fish sauce mixed well into that. If you had a bit of time, you could cling film this and put it in the fridge overnight. And that would pack even more flavour in. But it's, you know, fish sauce is quite strong, so you'll get good flavour almost immediately anyway. So my strips of beef are ready for a quick sear in the wok. So I'm actually going to oil the beef rather than the wok, because then ideally the beef will char well, but the oil won't burn too quickly. So my wok's really high heat, and I do want it to char the beef. So I'm just going to lay those nice and flat in the wok. Kind of like using the wok as a sort of tabletop barbecue, really. That smells delicious. Just going to sear that nicely, keeping it on a high heat. You don't want to overcook this, so you can see how quickly that's charred. That's from the caramelization of the palm sugar there. So that's done really quickly there. 30 seconds on either side should do the job on a high heat. So I've got my rice paper rolls, and the reason why they've got this crisscross shape is they're essentially sort of, when they're made, they're dried on a bamboo sort of basket, I guess. So what you want to do is just dip your rice paper in a bit of hot water. Over the next sort of minute or so, that will start to sort of absorb all that water. A little bit of lettuce. Got some home pickled veg. So this is actually a combination of pickled daikon, carrot, and some radish. So not only is it great for colour, but texture and that sour flavour is going to really work well with the lemongrass beef. A little bit of rice vermicelli into the centre, and then a few picked mint leaves. You can use whatever herbs you want, really. And by that time that you've sort of layered it up, you should be able to grab your pastry and then start to roll. So you roll to the centre, and you can see that lemongrass beef in there. And then you're going to bring the sides in nice and tight. And you can see how sticky this is now, which is great because it's nice and easy to roll. At the last part, it's just roll and tighten. So roll it up, tighten it a bit more, roll it up, tighten it a little bit more. Try not to break the pastry whilst you're doing it. And then your summer roll is ready to go. So it's nice to have sort of a combination. Once you slice it in, it will look beautiful. So it looks really lovely and pretty once you cut them in half. That pickled veg in there. Really nice and simple. With the flavour of that beef, it really, really stands out. Got your Nokcham dipping sauce on the side. Lemongrass, beef, summer rolls. I'm very excited by this. The combination of the pickle and the lemongrass beef is absolutely perfect. Actually, because of that flavour, barely even needs the sauce. Got a nice bit of coriander seed flavour from the pickled daikon as well. If you like this type of recipe and you really want to learn how to balance Asian flavours, don't forget to subscribe.